I want you to ask yourself, are you really serious about this? Are you really enjoying the process? If you are just 99% happy with the process currently, please stop the preparation right now. You have to be 100% in the game. Are you enjoying reading art and culture, geography, history, polity, science, technology, environment, ecology? All these things have to come naturally to you. 90% of you do not enjoy the preparation, so my humble request is do something which you really like. Why are you preparing for UPSC? Because anyway, 99.9% of you will never be able to clear it. So that is my humble request. If you are not enjoying the process, you will not be able to give 12 hours, 14 hours, 16 hours a day without making the sacrifices. It will not be worth it at all. So now we have clarified that only serious candidates should watch this video. So let's move on to the next point, which is please do not work hard. Donkeys do that. Do not work hard at all. If you are reading the Hindu newspaper for 3 to 4 hours and then you are going to PIP for 3 to 4 hours, your entire day is gone. You just have 6 to 8 hours to do self-study. Bhai, kab padhoge? Rather than that, why don't you watch a Hindu summary video for 8 to 9 minutes on an academy and then you read your Hindu for just like, you will be doing it in 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes max. Better still, watch the PIB video for 8 minutes and forget about the website. Even better than that, why don't you solve some MCQs based on those videos, which we do it. So if you watch these 4 videos for 30 minutes, you will be in a much better shape than like doing self-study for 10 to 12 hours. So always do some smart work, figure out some hacks around it, and then you will be able to succeed. Then you need to learn from your own mistakes, whatever you have committed till now. Like you were not able to fill the OMR sheet, you do it in last 10 minutes. So you need to like change your strategy according to that. You are not able to finish the syllabus in time, you are not emphasizing on the important topics, you could not finish your NCRTs, but you were reading Bipin Chandra's thick book. All these mistakes you have committed in the past, you were like got lost with some boy or a girl and then it ended up in a bad way. It took you 1 week, 1 month to get back into track. All these were some mistakes which you made. Please make sure you do not repeat it ever again. Many of the students, they don't know how to read science NCRTs. So why don't you watch the science NCRT summary course on an academy? Like I have made class 6 science NCRT. The Panshu has covered class 9th NCRT. Aishwarya might have covered 11th and 12th NCRT. In like 1 week we will cover all the NCRTs. So why don't you watch that course first and then read the NCRT? It will just take you like 2, 3, 4 hours maximum. Better still, you don't even need to read the NCRT if you watch that course. So always figure out the smart ways to work. Then always the most common mistake with all the aspirants commit is they spend too much time in coaching and too less time in self-studies. I have seen aspirants who go from 8 o'clock in the morning, 8 se 10:30 optional classes, then like 11 to 1 GS classes, then 2 to 5 CSAT paper 2 classes, then 6 to 8 God knows what classes. See, you don't have any time left for self-studies. There are college students who go from 9 to 5 to college, then 5 to 8 to coaching. There is no time for self-study. You will not be able to contemplate. You will not realize what are your strengths, what is your weakness. Everything will go haywire. You have to make sure that you give 4 to 5 hours every day to self-study. Otherwise, you will not realize where you are going wrong and which are the focus areas where your maximum attention should be spent. Then, there are many people who have become IAS officers, still they have not read previous year question papers. They were lucky, you are not. That is why you are watching this video, that you have not cracked it. The single most important reason is you do not know what kind of questions are asked in the examination. So do me this favor, like stop everything what you are doing right now. Next 24 hours, just focus on last 11 years question papers. That's it. From 2006 to 2016, last 11 year question papers, just go through them, like make note, okay? Like out of the geography 5 hours, 15 hours, 20 hours, these are the important topics in polity, geography, history. You will realize fundamental rights, preamble, fundamental duties, these are important topics. Current affairs is very important. So over a course of time, you will realize that solving previous year question papers is the single most important thing you can do to like enhance your preparation. One of the worst mistakes you'll ever commit is to listen to your well-wishers. They are aplenty in bylanes of Rajendra Nagar. They will say, like, beta ghar wapas chale jao, tumse na ho payega. Please don't listen to such negative voices. They will just drown you out in their sadness and depression and stress and anxiety. They will only give you pain. Just listen to your inner voice. What do you want? If you can crack it, you can crack it. You know it inside. You are not serious enough in first 2 attempts. That is why you could not crack it. But you are serious right now and you want to crack it and you will do it. Then, people make this mistake, they don't give tests. They don't test themselves. They just read and attend classes and attend seminars and watch videos like this. They don't give tests. One solution is you watch my MCQ course and you like see the Unacademy courses on PIB MCQs and you can like do tests there. Other is like give offline tests, go give online tests, join a test series, but test yourself. Give 30 tests, give 40 tests if you are failing in prelims. If you are failing in mains, give answer writing test. Get a mentor who checks your answer, who gives you like exactly what you want. This is the part where you're lacking. You do not write proper conclusion, you do not write proper introduction, you do not give your opinion. Then you have to, it is the most important thing. You have to rethink your entire strategy based on the points which I have told you till now. Otherwise, this will all go to waste. You have heard this video for 5 minutes, then okay, blah, blah, blah. You eat your Domino's pizza, you go to Haskas village and you chill out. But that is not the way to go about UPSC preparation. Whatever you learn, you have to emulate it. And then you have to do it daily, day in, day in. Eat, sleep, study, repeat. Eat, sleep, study, repeat. That has to be the mantra for next 1 year till you crack your UPSC and you see yourself in the final rank list. This is Roman Saini signing off. You can watch all the awesome courses for UPSC CSE preparation on Unacademy. Best of luck. Good luck.